Alright, welcome guys. So today we are going to look at a tutorial, starter tutorial on how to create a social networking website. So this is the one that I created. So as you can see, you have to create an account, first name, last name, email. There's also the CAPTCHA where you have to make sure that you're not a robot. I already have an account, an administrator account, so I'm going to log into that, and I'll show you around that first. So, alright, so this is Slayfin, the website that I made, and it's basically for all creators. It's for people that want to create, TikToks, or they have their own clothing brand, something like that. People join. I haven't really started marketing it yet, but I'll show you guys around. So first, we see that we have the links, newsfeed, friends, all of this. This is what it comes with. Then, we have Tetris, the game. We have the game Mastermind. You can see here, play Tetris, that kind of thing. Then you can make your own groups, so you can add your own friends to your own groups, you can invite friends, create them, and then you can also create your own blog. So you can create any blog that I want, and friend requests, you can get your messages up here, and you can get your notifications if someone tags you on anything, right? It has the same features as Facebook down here. You can change your privacy to public or just friends. And now, for an even cooler part. So basically, the people that are using your account will see account settings and log out. So they can go to their account settings and add a bio, whatnot. Okay, but as an administrator, what you have is administrator settings. So you can see the number of users. So I sent it out to a few of my friends, and they all joined. If you go to user manager, I'm not going to list the users because for their username and emails, but you can go to list users. You can add your own user, that kind of thing. Whenever you make a change to the site, you can open the link in new tab, and you can see your site, and you can continue to change it. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you some tips and tricks. I know that a lot of people, when they make changes to this, they wonder why their website does not show these changes. I will cover that. It has to do with the cache and refreshing the cache, enabling and disabling it, as well as flushing it. I guess it's a non-copyrighted software, but there's some things you have to do with the cache, which I'll get into. You can add components, you can change your themes. So I have 2 themes, and I'll show you guys something really cool right now. Is actually if I go down here and I click enable to this theme, go blue. I've spent a few weeks editing that theme and getting it ready to go. But now if we go back, watch this. It's completely changed. And if we go to the home website and we log out, the home page is different in terms of the color at the top, the login button, that kind of thing. So you can choose your own themes actually, but then most of the stuff I edited into this to make it the way that it is. Aside from themes, you can configure. So I added, some of these come with it, like the OSSN wall, which you choose if the posts are friends only, that kind of thing. But you have an ads manager, site pages, and then you can add Google Analytics and a lot of other stuff to your website. And yeah, there's a lot of other settings, and we can go back to the dashboard after logging again. But yeah, there's so much that this can do for you. Go to OSSN, okay, and it's called an open source social network, and you open it, and you can see it has your basic outline of your network right here, and you can download this. So it has quite a few downloads, but yeah, you just hit download OSSN, and you hit the installer, and then you download the OSSN. I've downloaded it multiple times, but okay, so your next step is you go to Infinity Free, and you go to the client area, and let me just sign out. I'm going to create a new account, so Let's sign up. Okay, give me a second. Alright, and then password, make up your whatever password, confirm it, say you're not a robot, and create your account. Oh, my bad. There. Okay, now we gotta verify our email address, so I'm going to do that, and once we've done that, we're gonna move on. Perfect. So once you have verified your address, you go to create an account now. Boom, you can choose your domain name, so we're gonna name it my website tutorial for you.com, and then we are going. Alright, so I had to, make this part block it out because I'm putting in a password, but you just put in your password and then you hit the I'm not a robot and you create the account. That's basically all there is to it. So finish that and we'll continue on. What you're supposed to be able to upload files, and so to do that you do need to wait a few minutes. You just hit approve to this, the panel will load. You do need to wait a few minutes before it happens, so just give it a minute or two, and your file manager, the file manager is now available. Here, next, this step is very important. You ignore this area, okay? This area is not important. You need to go to the htdocs and delete these. Confirm, and now you upload your zipped folder, which is the OSSN. And yes, so now you do have to wait while it uploads. There we go. Okay, it is 972 files, so as you can see, this is a very large thing to work with, so you do wait for that. Now this is going to be the end of this video, but in the next video this is what we're going to cover. So first, one of the things that's very difficult in OSSN is to actually be able to change all the components, because as you can see there's 972 files that you have to look through to be able to change the background, the images, the colors, add extra fields, and do all of those kind of things. And so what we're going to start off with, once the OSSN has finished downloading, is we're going to start off by changing the background image, and then we're going to move from there. We're going to start from the home page and then move to the inside. Right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Let's get started on creating that amazing social network. Thank you, and peace out.